Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate full-body relaxation experience with the MassaMAX 2025 A305 massage chair. Fire! Before diving in, check the link below to grab yours at the best price today. Fire! Glowing star, unmatched full-body massage experience. The MassaMAX 2025 A305 is designed to provide a deep tissue, therapeutic massage that relieves stress, soothes muscle tension, and improves circulation. Whether you're coming home after a long day or just need some relaxation, this chair does it all. Red octagon, zero gravity recline for ultimate comfort. Black check mark, zero gravity mode elevates your legs and reduces spinal pressure. Black check mark, enhanced relaxation and deeper massage penetration. Black check mark, feels like floating on air. Computer, AI-powered body scanning and personalized massage. Black check mark, smart AI scans your body shape and adjusts massage intensity. Black check mark, targets key pressure points for a customized experience. Black check mark, perfect fit for users of all sizes. Woman getting massage, SL Track Shiatsu Massage, deep and precise. Unlike regular massage chairs, the SL Track system follows the natural curve of your spine from your neck down to your glutes, ensuring a full-body deep tissue massage. Black check mark, Shiatsu, kneading, tapping, and rolling massage techniques. Black check mark, deep muscle relaxation and stress relief. Black check mark, perfect for back pain, stiff shoulders, and sore muscles. Fire, heated therapy and air compression massage. Black check mark, therapeutic heat for lower back pain relief. Black check mark, air compression massage for arms, legs, shoulders and hips. Black check mark, boosts blood circulation and promotes faster recovery. Leg, extended calf and foot massage. Black check mark, adjustable footrest accommodates different heights. Black check mark, Shiatsu rollers plus airbags work together for deep leg relaxation. Black check mark, perfect for reducing leg fatigue and improving circulation. Knobs, smart control and multiple massage modes. Black check mark, touch screen remote for effortless customization. Black check mark, AI voice control, just say your command. Black check mark, multiple auto massage programs for every mood. Light bulb, why choose the MassaMAX 2025 A305? White check mark, zero gravity comfort, feel weightless and stress-free. White check mark, AI controlled body scan, tailored massage for your needs. White check mark, SL Track Shiatsu Massage, covers full back and glutes. White check mark, heated therapy and air compression, soothes muscles and boosts circulation. White check mark, adjustable calf and footrest, ideal for total relaxation. Collision, final verdict, if you're looking for a premium, full-body massage chair with advanced features, the MassaMAX 2025 A305 is a top choice. Whether for stress relief, pain management, or everyday relaxation, this chair offers a luxurious spa experience right in your living room. Link symbol, check out the link below to order yours today before they sell out. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more awesome tech and home wellness reviews.